Making moves with the XM. You know I'm on the rise. X-Mits got my back as I reach for the prize. Take mill in my corner, trading wise and bold. Minimum deposits, watch my story unfold. Live trading sessions, knowledge is power. Confidence steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my name. From trading floors to the big gala nights, I'm living the hustle, reaching new heights. Gala dinner shining, feeling like a king. Educational resources, let the wisdom ring. Mega bucks on the table for interference and sight swing. Trading till December, I'm ready for the fight. Withdrawals, deposits, I'll conquer the scene. Confident steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my name. From trading floors to the big gala nights, I'm living the hustle, reaching new heights. Withdrawals, deposits, I'll conquer the scene. Confident steps in this money game.
Oh yebo bafethu besibuyile bheka yabona lamathizi laba shayikazi bheka thina siwashava northwest ayi ngibe ngihunta yabona bheka if you wanna see how we got here bheka stay tuned. Tola Day presents real organic and authentic danko bheka kubeka abantu mfethu i-winter until akunagedlela leyo lento intambo awuyebo tot inja yami iyapaka nami ngiva ngithi kawu ngiyapaka nami yabona bafethu bafuna ukuhasela senza ezinye izinto eziphume endleleni athola we are risking like traders bheka risk to reward inja yami bepakile ngitshengisa igoli yabona bafethu bheka kwenzakalani the time igoli beku-3000 if bungatrade ngalezo inkathi ayi akithi manje you can start trading now yabona scan the QR code vele ubungene bafethu ubone uri o ka etsa jwang ka tšhelete khohlwe ispani khohla mfethu no one's coming to save you kodwa bheka bona le setup nje grand mafuna uzodlala i-Xbox we charge mafuna uzoshaya i-content we charge mafuna uzotrader we charge mafuna uzoshaya i-studio we charge danko bheka yonke into izoba grand asibonge
Uzoconfirma no exchange.
asisela no Cliff
Makasho kanjalo.
yoba beze basizile mfana
Last izolo usho kanjalo. Sangithuka move ayile sothi uzongitshela ekseni.
bona ona ntswekisi yang mfethu paka kwasana kodwa siyazobuya nini mfethu siyophanda bheka siyophanda guys not a reflection but we're just showing you ukuthi when you determine about something noma incane kanjani ungayithatheli phansi mfethu because that thing whatever you investing in or whatever you want to build it's gonna grow must treat it like a child yabona njengengane man the newborn babies you must until they're fragile so to handle with care bheka until nami ngiyapaka ngalabheka ngiyafunda ngapha bheka ithi njalo uzofunda na ithi ya ucabangani le message trip ayi faka sana faka njalo faka bona sheba looking ngikhiphe ezinye ngithi maqanga ngathi ngibhakanga zona anami yavula ethi njalo ngayi i-vault faka kwasana bheka faka sana oh akana storage singaka abheka yabona wayebank up abroad bekasipanisa leaders until mabheka asikhola bheka sibe sakhuluma njalo lesayidinga ayi leyasidinga mafaka le bheka uyavula ayi sokupakiwe sengacoca nami ngithola sengisakhuluma ukuthi ubani uzobamba ini ngithola bheka ha Remo Mphanduku mshito usolepili bheka asatloringi out market gayithusa no ngithola gayithusa kabaningi mfethu impilo yakho sukuma uphane mfethu yabona la ama whiteboard ngibhala ama quotes gold beku-3000 last year yabona mina nje out market ibethatha riding stand
With the money, guys.
akufeze lo bhoba na
Very experience.
akale pack isikhwameni
Makers ifake impini zami mistake. I think akamphithi maka-anki.
mpephi
Nasisikia.
makarokhe file phoza indoda yabona ama-milf mawubhekile i-milf ikukakanje
Oh, pen. Wenze bangifisa imali. Macala the papers. It's fine. So guys, we're still on the way, and then so transport was an issue, but then we're working on an alternative. As you can see, so we need to get to where we're going by 8.
bheka so reka ini i-cab itekisi i-quantum ngithola isesifikile bheka yabona manje nami ngibona umtshito wami bheka sakhuphuka kuyanetha mfethu tototi siyaba sore i-cab danko
How do you slot the brightness on this thing? Change it. This thing you can slot the brightness.
yabona manje abasomatekisi vele bangichaza mfethu they are breaking the rules bheka manje lapha eLondon sokune-3 lane singene ku-oncoming bheka bona sheba abheka izinja bafethu ayi bheka yabona manje sesendleleni yabona manje mfethu kugcwele
Even 8:30 is still 8. So guys,
enyiwa bafethu subscribe lapha
we just got to Jersey and then the line is crazy. So it's like 10 minutes before we need to be where we need to be, and already
shish anybody there ngiyathi ngithola ezingaphansi
ngaphandle. Shish. They do sell it on this. But paisa le yakudala le itabulayo. Asibuze lezi mathali. Ukuthi because my gosh. Let's try. Because we can't. Skibela. So guys, we're still in a line. So we can't activate because these lines. Yeah, see. Things will wait so long and so we're supposed to get there at 8. My nigga's saying they must wait for us an hour 30. Now I'm missing. You shall make a video call. At one.
driving kasi
Shall video call mfana ke I accepted that. So yeah guys, this is the problems we're facing. Waiting for the live. Yeah, we'll keep you updated.
For those who don't know, la kuse-pre va eJozi angithola mos Jozi Johannesburg yabo lo Johan lo bathi ubhek uye lo bheka abosomatekisi bayabangena mfethu bazidlula ngathi abaziboni ngabathi bafethi nava bheka leza zincenga yabona ugcwele kanjani sifuna i-full load bheka into zangempela bona.
So it's like 8 o'clock now. We're still here in Jersey. My nigga is buying airtime because we're waiting. Like that, we used to Wi-Fi in Jersey, so we don't have data and shit. So just waiting, and then yeah, this is the update. So we're still hitting, and we'll see how the day goes.
So hey guys, Hobima Waiganyiwa. I want us to go up request say Jozi. We're in the slums of Jozi. So right now we're requesting and now let's say connection. Good thing and hopefully Uber driver shite. Yeah, Uber. What's the thing? Uber driver shite.
Cheap much.
I think that's a how come you type it out with Pangis and then
Listen, I got request. I will show you that.
Labo Bafete, the driver is found.
The day we buy C63 is a scary rat home, man.
But when I'm the go about the tools.
Okay. Honda i10. It's arriving in 3 minutes. So let's see.
From which direction?
I'm not sure. Let's see.
Labo, can now. 32.5, can you?
Why don't you forget it on the vlog mode? Me, I stand arriving in 1 minute. Now, the next video, we share vlog mode.
That is also a continent. You got lanes,
we went through
full of drives.
So guys, I was passing Jersey. You saw the lines were crazy. So we ended up taking an Uber.
Don't forget to tell them to subscribe.
As you hear my friend say, subscribe to the page, guys. So we're on the way now. We're supposed to arrive 8. It's 8:30 now. So we'll probably get there about 9. But we're on the way. So here, Jersey.
Fikile umshayeli bheka. Bona manje sisingenile Uber ngithola siye-Northcliff sidlula yiye-Jozi andithola bheka sibedlula office to let injami ngapha ibintshingisa iGold ukuthi iGold ibe yakhuphuka uma ungatshili angiyazi but start trading scan the QR code yabona bheka yabona start trading so that we can buy commercial properties. You can see offices are to let, you must buy these properties yabona bheka into engempela mfethu yabona thina-ke manje saphanda bafethu nathi these are our dreams andithola. Now I know you the subscriber, the viewer, I know you also have a dream, so if you have a dream subscribe lapho andithola so that we can all grow. You never know what might happen. Damn.
M2 ayalibona
Babuza 21 yemibuzo yamuzwa-ke Big Zulu featuring MT bheka sikhona wena subscriber lapha yabona we halfway now yabona subscriber lapha yabona itoro emalezi yabona is a slums yo abheka either way guys we on our way there ayiJozi bafethu yoholi kunini siphuma eJozi yo amabheka-ke udriver ubonile ukuthi hayi traffic engaka ayishaya ama-shop card bafethu yo danko
amakana ngathi yamuva nyana ayamuva hayi yabo at least after robot mokungana traffic sofika before 9 nje because athi funeka abuye before
bona ngibe ngiyakhuthazeka-ke yabona caba nama-rental unit yes ayiyadla le nga-rent mabheka-ke sendleleni yandithola mabafethu phandani yabona thina senzani phandani ungalahli ithemba ushilo umandoza kusane hope ungalahli ithemba
so funeka siyibheje mengawina leyo team soba bengibhekwe nje ne-Auckland City ne-Bayern so i-Auckland City mengawina because ama-odds wakhona yi-50 ku-Auckland so noma ungabheja i-10 uzowina 500 i-Bayern mengaluza so hopeful yimatch engiyijahele then lamanye le kwenje
yabona-ke manje-ke siphanda ngazo zonke indlela injama yabheja ngamtshela ukuthi yami bheja all odds ukuthi makubhede ngala sibhobha ngayiya ngithola mos uyazi ukuthi impilo izokubeka bamfethu so nawe nje uma ufuna ukubhetha so gaya nje i-promo code angithola macala nje ngokuskena i-QR code yabona nje is a code thing, is a code red, black and white. Bheka if you know the codes, you know the codes. Bheka sesiphumile eJozi singene esilungwini danko. Nayo le Grand i10 nje amihlanya ngayo. Bheka shapa ka taillight yangi ya RS7 bona iVeti ke hatchback riding ngithola mara bona ke wena mfethu bheka via Rakai Northcliff danko.
You can choose the panel
I
beats
think I
that
was
you
around
want to use.
22,
You
yeah.
can even top this up
When
with
Trevor
a
Paul
variety
reached
of
12,000
mechanical
volts,
or electrical breakdown.
I was here,
It's
I think,
for
Mark
us,
Reed, but
it's
was
for us, and it's
Trevo sespani
Spanish, simple.
3517. That's car
Never
CAR
played.
43517. I'll show you.
Bheka yabona into ezesikhuthaza ayitoro commercial property yabona kwepakeni abomageba yabona bafethu esilungwini kakhuthaza bafethu yabona ngeke ubona commercial property nje abandoned not for sale yemsotra yo awutlalibona not for sale mara bona ke yona ngithola bona babona metro bus eneke real direct kuyascale mfethu Mambas, if you know Mambas, mfethu Mambas anangimathisa la mfethu kubula kamatha leni nakabona yo alo mama ngenza kabi kade bheka bakenza kamabomu nje ngaso isikhathi mfethu uyasprinta mfethu ngaso isikhathi mfethu ngiyazibuza ukuthi mangaba lady ngomisa session nama gents la mabheka ngikhona bona sakeni ko Northcliff ngithola Rebecca va Northcliff from north to north utlabona ke way from north to north bona bafethu so bona this is why we hustling guys. This type of like environments ka like kakhiye ublomekazi thole emakhe sakashisa itayera ungazi ukuthi ushisa la sokunuka kabi into usingena endlini mawushisa uyabhadala mfethu you pay geld nyoko money mula imali chelete sezofika abantu abangibona le garage bona bheka avulekile amasango yabona mfethu ayikho into ezisivimbayo kulokhu nothing is stopping us sesofika bona ke Matseleng we on the way bheka so yabona bafethu It's been a journey. Sesofika, you can see the environment. Oh, sakhuleka. Nayibona imfula. Yabona if it's spiritual, if you know, you know. Bona, danko. Sengena va eLinden. Apparently, they say this suburb happens to be the dopest suburb. It was once on, what do you call this? ETV. But it's the dopest suburb. I must go and see what makes it dope, you see. Because our brand is Rand Dope. So if this place is dope, not we must take our brand there. Rand Dope and so in the dopest neighborhood. And so I salute bafethu sendleleni yabona musa sibesandlula sivela ama municipality watwa sibesidlula izindlu bheka nami ngihlele phambili ngibasidenge ukuthi yani la siyakhona ngabe labantu basishile mfethu because nathi nje kama umshito mfethu umshito tsola phele ba wangithola mos bona
lapho yangize indlela ngizobe ngiyibona nyana mara taxi ayandlula la
Yamba kona la?
yeah then mifike eToyota ngathi
Thathu right.
yeah
Oh, okay,
yeah.
alright. Ngiyabona. Yo babe malibonga seyama ngerada.
yeah
yabona silesijwayele ukuhamba ngetekisi hey bafethu sansa kuphanda to ka rintu za mo-suburb so ngayijwayela ngithola siyijwayele bafethu ngithola then so uyazi la makasi ngithola mfethu bona into tsaka yini mfethu yabona ijaketi eyi-1 is 3 yards here in Soweto yo damn oh my god damn mara life is a blessing bafethu wena nje as long as you wake up be grateful for life be grateful for ukuvuka ngithola jabulela impilo mfethu noma ungabhubhanga jabulela impilo jabulela ukuthi izinto zizovuleka ngithola thandaza uguca ngedola ngithola shaya le ngoma leka ibona Sam Deep noThato Hearts ngithola thandaza mfethu uguce ngedola uthandaze mfethu uNkulunkulu egcineni uzophendula inthandazo yakho ngithola sasifikile yabona mwana le garage ngiyakhuthazeka bona kazi kaphanda kayi cafa liyashaya triple story ye-face break yo I rented half a show 5.5 per unit. Babe nazi into zisikhuthazayo yo. Akuphila ka ufitandi extreme fit man. Into zangempila. Danko watsiyamos total right. Empilweni fanele ufisele into right, bright njenge Sprite. Yangithola sesifikile danko.
yeah this house here yeah so guys tell us any sightseeing
Oh yeah, I can see with the side tipper trucks.
So what is mine? Tata fana boto ebona.
Yeah, I got one.
Iri breads. Remove breads no so. How ka Rustenburg ujika mo? So na Rustenburg
Ebona bafethu bathi indlela ibuzwa bakuphi abaphambili yabona mfethu babonsore not western mfethu Rustenburg eva ona tshaka ma breads wabona mfethu indlela ibuzwa abaphambili ngithola toto sesifikile bona semakhaya shito tsola pele danko yabona manje semakhaya bheka akunamgwaco kunebhucu bheka akunamgwaco kunebhucu barifile siyavazi eUsave the only supermarket lapha fethu so if you're wondering if anyone of y'all knows this place guess it right don't worry comment in the comment section I'm gonna give you all delicacies Siska Waramos comment what's the name of this place and the name of the province bon angithola mus Fede about manje sendula any station.
We're trading sessions, knowledge is power. Confidence steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my name. We're trading floors to the big gala nights. I'm living the hustle, reaching new heights. Gala dinner shining, feeling like a king. Educational resources, let the wisdom ring. Mega bucks on the table, foreign affairs and sight swing. Trading till December, I'm ready for the fight. Withdrawals, deposits, I'll conquer the scene. Confident steps in in this money game, building my